I'm at the airport in Colombo. I just checked in and gave my bag and everything. It's now 11 o'clock at night, and in an hour or so I'm supposed to check in. So let's go. I've waited a long time to say this, but good morning, Vietnam. I've just arrived in Ho Chi Minh City. The immigration and everything and picking up my luggage was super easy. Now I'm gonna grab a taxi to my hotel, and then let's see what the rest of the day brings us. So my cab just dropped me off here and pointed in this direction. Okay, let's see if the hotel is here. Hello and good morning. So it's time to explore the city a bit. So right now I'm on my way to Ben Thanh market, which is supposed to be a rather large food market. And sometime after that I'm finally gonna get a haircut, because that's long overdue.
Where you from?
Germany.
Oh, my friend Germany.
So apparently it's not only a food market, but there's definitely enough options here food-wise. So let's find some duck. I've been craving duck for a while. Wow, that was a good duck soup. So I found a barber shop close by. That's where I'm heading to. This much shorter, very short, very short, very short, very short. No, like this, keep, yeah. A very good morning here from the sunny Vietnam with my either bad hair do or bad hair day. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, I'm right now on my way to the Botanic Garden and Zoo. On my way there, I'm gonna get some breakfast somewhere. So let's go. Funny thing just happened at the cash register at the entrance. I was getting ready to pay the 50,000 Vietnamese dong entrance fee, and as I was counting my money, she all of a sudden said, "Oh, no need, no need." And then she gave me my ticket. So yeah, I didn't really understand what had happened. So then I saw this one guy walking in front of me. So then I approached him. "Hey, did you just pay for my ticket?" And he said, yeah, cool, it's fine, no worries. And he walked away. Yeah, cool, I like it. There he is! What up? What's the plan for today, Seamus?
Go to Buiven.
So, thank you for watching my first vlog here from Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. I've been here for about 2 weeks now. So far, I'm loving the city. I love how much there is to explore. The food here, the friendliness of the people. The American guy that you saw in the last shot, that was a guy that I met like a couple of days ago. And we hung out a couple of times. We went to a comedy club. We went to the Buiven street to get a couple of beers. So yeah, so far so good. Also, I've got a little announcement. I'm gonna handle my vlog a bit differently from now on. So far, I've always done 1 or 2 week summary videos, let's say. But from now on, I want to do more segmented videos that each have their own theme. So for example, I want to find the best restaurant, the nicest hotel, the coolest alley, the best art, you name it, so I can get a better idea of what works and what doesn't. I also won't release it every Thursday anymore. I'm still going to publish a new video weekly, but they're each going to have their own theme from now on. That being said, again, thank you for watching, and see you next time.